Hi, if you want to change the name that is shown in the app of the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker, then this is how you do that. Begin by opening the app, scroll down to the bottom and select Product Information. In here, tap Rename My Product. Select a new name and then click Save. To get the new name to actually appear in the phone's Bluetooth settings as well as in the app, the speaker now needs to be reconnected to the phone. This is done by first opening up Settings and then selecting Bluetooth on your phone. Now find the speaker in the list of connected devices, click on it and choose to forget it. Then push the Bluetooth symbol on the top of the speaker to put it into pairing mode, where it should now appear with its new name in the list of available Bluetooth devices on the phone. Here, just tap on it to connect it to the phone. And that is about that. Please though share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.